Hello, welcome to Sri Academy ESET Coaching Center, Hyderabad. Myself, Fanindra. Here, I am going to give solutions of last year ESET paper, that is 2019 ESET mathematics question paper solutions. I am going to discuss. It is going to be useful for your ESET exam, entrance exam. That is how the questions are going to be and the concept is going to be how it's going to be helpful for you people. That's why I am here discussing. I am giving the solutions of a previous paper. Right, a mathematics paper we will discuss here. The question is going to be here, let A and B, that's a matrices topic question, that is if A and B are two square matrices, AB equals to and BA equals to B, then A square plus B square equals to what? Not only in this year, in previous years, previously 2 times this question is already asked in ESET. Right, this is 2019. Now the question is going to be AB is given and BA is given, the condition is asking A square plus B square. It's a very simple question now. Here we want A square and B square, that's why I am checking here A equals to AB. I want A square, that's why I am multiplying A once again. In both sides I am applying multiplying with A. That is A into A is going to be A square. Next AB into A I am writing. Here matrix distribution property is there. That is what AB into C equals to A into BC we can write. Or A into BC we can write AB into C. Like AB into A is there, that's why I am writing as A into BA. This is A square. Now BA equals to given BA equals to B. That is AB. A square equal to AB. Here AB is nothing but A, that's why you got A square equal to A. See, similarly I am doing here, I am checking here B. Why? Because I want B square here. B equal to BA. B equals to BA. Now B into B square. I am multiplying both sides with B to get B square. That is B into B square. That is BA into B. BA into B by the same by using distributive property, I am writing indirectly BA into B as B into AB. AB is nothing but A given, that is it's going to be BA. B square equal to BA, but BA is nothing but B, that's why B square equal to B. By using these two values, here A square plus B square asked, that is A square plus B square equals to simply A plus B. That is going to be your fourth answer. Like in matrices topic, in every year you are going to get 5 questions. One basic question is going to be, and topic wisely from determinant you will get 1 question, from adjoint matrix or try inverse of a matrix you will get 1 question, and some based upon some basic topics you are going to get like these questions. Here one more question is there, that is consider the system of linear equations x plus y plus z equals to 3 and x minus y minus z equals to 4, x minus 2y plus alpha z equals to 6. Then the value of alpha simply is asking the value of alpha for which the system has an infinity number of solutions. He is giving the condition and is asking unknown. In this equation, system of equations, always by using matrix methods we are going to say solution of linear equations. Here we having 3 unknowns, means indirectly 3 equations are required. By solving the 3 equations we are going to get the values of x and y and z, that is solution. But is given unknown one more as a constant. By using matrix method we can say this unknown is given the condition that is going to have infinity number of solutions. Always when the system of linear equations if the coefficient matrix determinant not equal to 0, it's going to have unique solution. Only one solution is going to be get. For suppose if determinant of coefficient matrix, that coefficient matrix determinant equal to 0, it's going to have a no solution, and also it's going to have infinity number of solutions. See, given infinity number of solutions it's going to have, that's why simply I am checking coefficient matrix. I am doing that coefficient matrix determinant equal to 0. I am writing the coefficient matrix here. Simply based upon x, y, z variable coefficients, we are going to write coefficient matrix. First one is going to be 1 1 1, and x quotient is 1, y quotient is 1, z quotient 1. Here 1 minus 1 minus 1. Second equation coefficients 1 minus 1 minus 1. Third equation coefficients that is 1 minus 5 and alpha. This is coefficient matrix, just I represented with A. Coefficient matrix determinant equals to 0. Then it is going to be have the condition is what? It's going to have infinity solutions. That's why simply we are taking determinant equal to 0. Determinant equal to 0, it's going to have infinity solutions and 0 solutions also. So, ante no solution also. If he is saying the condition is not having solution also, you can take determinant equal to 0. It's having unique solution means you have to take determinant not equal to 0. But to find one unknown, compulsory equation is required. That equation is going to be determinant of A equal to 0. That is determinant of quotient matrix is 0. Already we know the shortcut. Simply what is that? To find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, we can get the values. First of all, you have to write first element at last element at first, and in last row first element at last element at first. Simply multiplication 1 into 1 into minus 1 minus 5 is going to be. Here we are multiplying 1 into 1 into minus 1 minus 5. 1 into minus 1 into alpha minus alpha. Next here 1 into minus 1 into alpha. Next 1 into minus 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 into minus 1 into 1 is nothing but minus 1. Minus of remaining equations, that is here also multiplication alpha into 1 into 1 alpha. Next 1 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 5 into minus 1 into 1 is nothing but plus minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 equal to 0. Here simplifying this equation, you are going to get alpha. Here see, that is minus 5 is there, minus 1, minus 6 minus alpha. Here minus 1 plus 5 is nothing but plus 4. That too if you multiply with minus alpha, minus 4 equal to 0. Here minus 2 alpha and minus 10 equal to 0. From here we can write 2 alpha equals to minus 10, alpha equal to minus 5. You are going to have plus 5 also. Be careful here. Here see, if you take minus 2 alpha this side, it's going to be minus 10 equal to plus 2 alpha. Minus 10 is there, that's why alpha equal to minus 5. Let's see other problems in this paper only, right? These are the two problems from matrices. Not only we are going to have, we have more questions in matrices topic. We'll discuss that problems also. Let's discuss this problem. He given one matrix A of alpha comma beta is this one. Indirectly here, then inverse of this matrix is asking. That is, for suppose this is A, if you not thinking about alpha and beta, if this is A, is asking A inverse. Before that, to find an answer, we will think about these options here. A of alpha comma beta means same matrix. A of alpha comma minus beta is same. In place of alpha you have to write alpha only. In place of beta you have to write minus alpha. That is cos alpha sin alpha 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 e power minus beta. In this option, in place of beta you will get minus beta. If you take a third option, I am writing here third option. Why? Because it's changing minus. In place of alpha you have to write minus alpha, in place of beta also minus beta. I am writing this one. By using this you can understand other one also. I am writing here, see, in place of alpha you have to write minus alpha. Cos of minus theta always is going to be plus cos theta only. For this you are going to get cos alpha only. Sine of minus alpha, in place of alpha you have to write minus alpha. Sine of minus theta is going to be minus sine theta, minus sine alpha, 0. Minus sine of minus alpha is going to be plus sine alpha, you will get sine alpha. Here cos alpha 0. Why? Because cos of minus theta always is going to be plus cos theta only. 0 0 e power minus beta. అల్ఫా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇబ్బంది. ఏ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా బీటా అంటే సేమ్ ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇక్కడ వరకు సేమ్ వస్తుంది. ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ బీటా యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ ప్లస్ బీటా. సేమ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇయర్, ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో ఈ పవర్ బీటా ఉంటుంది, సెకండ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ బీటా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్లో సేమ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఈ సేమ్ థింగ్ ఇక్కడ ఈ పవర్ బీటా, ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ బీటా ఎట్లుందో ఇక్కడ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ బీటా, ఇక్కడ ఈ పవర్ బీటా ఉంటుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ ఫైండింగ్ యూ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై దట్. అండ్ బిఫోర్ దట్ హియర్ సి గివెన్ వాట్ ఈ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ వాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు నో ద ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ ఇన్వర్స్. దట్ ఈస్ 1 by determinant of A into argent of A. To find A inverse, what are the steps means indirectly first of all you have to find determinant. If determinant not equal to 0, then A inverse is existed. If determinant equal to 0, you can't get an inverse. But here అన్ని matrices option లో ఉన్నాయి, most of times you will get determinant. Argent of A means to find argent of A matrix you have to find cofactor matrix. That is cofactor matrix means you have to replace each and every element of a matrix. ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏ అనే మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఎలిమెంట్కి కోఫాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ కోఫాక్టర్ని అదే ప్లేస్లో రిప్లేస్ చేస్తే కోఫాక్టర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తుంది. దాని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ వచ్చేసి ఆర్జియన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. Inverse means 1 by determinant of A into argent of A means you have to find determinant, then after you have to find argent. To find argent compulsory you have to find cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix is nothing but you have to replace each and every element with their cofactors, and if you transpose you are going to get argent of A. What I am doing means I am not finding argent matrix totally. I am checking in the options whatever the elements are there, like differences are there. Here e power beta is there, same matrix, e power beta is there, here e power minus beta. Here this is the matrix, here same matrix but in place of e power minus beta, e power beta is there. Every matrix is going to have some change. That change, based upon that change I will find. See, compare with first and second option and third and fourth option. This is one group, same. You will get these elements as equal. In this you will get these elements, in this you will get these elements. I will check. If you compare this one with this one, here cos alpha is there, cos alpha is there, ikkada plus sin alpha, here minus sin alpha, and difference is there. If you check that, you are going to get, first of all, inverse find out cheyalante determinant kavali. What is the determinant for this? If you find determinant, always determinant is nothing but sum of products of elements of a row or column with their corresponding cofactor. To find determinant already you know. To find determinant, if you use which row is having more number of zeros, we have to see. If you use that row, you are going to get determinant very easily. Ikkada number of zeros 2 unnai, ikkada number of zeros 2 unnai, column iskochu, row iskochu. If I take row number 3 to find determinant, that is 0 into something minus 0 into something, 0 into something minus 0 into something plus e power beta into this element cofactor. Cofactor is nothing but it is at third row, third column. Minus 1 to the power of row number 3, column number 3. You are going to get 6 is nothing but even you will get plus 1 only into this matrix. After eliminating row and column, what you are going to get? This one. You have to, cofactor is nothing but indirectly minus 1 to the power of row number plus column number into minor of that element. This matrix after eliminating row and column eliminate just such a matrix determinant, that is a cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos square theta plus sin square theta from trigonometry you will get 1. minus 1 to the power of 6 means plus 1 into plus 1 is nothing but 1 into e power beta. That is, here you got determinant of a equal to e power beta. See, అర్జియంట్లో నేను ఏదో ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను అర్జియన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. That is, this is a, suppose if you think this matrix is inverse matrix, I am finding inverse. First of all, you know determinant. Now you have to find adjoint. Adjoint means cofactor matrix transpose. Cofactor means indirectly cos alpha, first row first element, first row first row first column element. ఏలో ఎలిమెంట్ కోఫాక్టర్ రాస్తాను టు అండర్స్టాండ్ యూ పీపుల్. కోఫాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా. ఫస్ట్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఎలిమెంట్ కోఫాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా. దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి -1 to the power of row number 1 plus column number 1. కోఫాక్టర్ రాస్తున్నా నేను. ఈ కోఫాక్టర్ అనేది అర్జెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో సేమ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ఎలిమెంట్ ప్లేస్లో దాని కోఫాక్టర్ రాస్తే ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, దాని కోఫాక్టర్ రాస్తే కోఫాక్టర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తా అంటే ఈ రోలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ కోఫాక్టర్స్ అర్జెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో కాలంలో ఉంటాయి. రో ఫస్ట్ రో ఎలిమెంట్ ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా కామా beta cofactor is -1 to the power of after eliminating row and column this matrix determinant. What is going to be e power beta into cos alpha -0. That is going to be e power beta into cos alpha. I will write same thing, first row and first column, second column I will take. Second column element cofactor of a of alpha comma beta. First row second column sin alpha, that is going to be -1 to the power of 1 plus 2. After eliminating first row first column, this matrix minus sin alpha 0 0 e power beta. That is going to be minus sin alpha e power beta -0. That is going to be, you are going to get minus here, it's going to be sin alpha into e power beta. See, I am writing adjoint matrix element. ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ అర్జెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో ఏమైతాయి ఇప్పుడే చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ రో ఎలిమెంట్స్ కోఫాక్టర్స్ అనేవి అర్జెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఎలిమెంట్స్ అవుతాయి. ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ అర్జెంట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ ఇన్వర్స్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, దాని డిటర్మినెంట్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాయి. అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ హియర్ బై యూజింగ్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ బట్ ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ aij of a. First one is same thing, e power beta into cos alpha. Second element, this is going to be sin alpha into e power beta. Third element as it is you will get, if you find for 0 into first cofactor of that 0 minus 0, you will get 0. This is Argand matrix. For suppose I am not finded here, but Argand matrix, remaining elements leave it. If you divide with determinant, you are going to get inverse. That is, inverse means you have to divide. Ante indirectly e power beta. Here e power beta. E power beta cancel. That is going to be cos alpha, sin alpha. ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో కాస్ ఆల్ఫా మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కాస్ ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ సైన్ ఆల్ఫా ఉంది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ కాదు, నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ కాదు. అంటే మేబీ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్, మేబీ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్. It may be. Why? Because it is cos alpha, sin alpha. ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ డిసైడ్ చేసేది బీటా. హియర్ we are getting e power minus beta. Here e power beta. Let's check which element in A inverse. Third row, third column. That is directly element I am writing determinant A inverse. That is third row and third column element in A inverse. A inverse element in A inverse, that is simply 1 by determinant into అర్జియంట్లో ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ సింపుల్గా కంపల్సరీ డయాగనల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనేది సేమ్ పొజిషన్లోనే ఉంటాయి. అంటే ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కోఫాక్టరే. ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కోఫాక్టర్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ కోఫాక్టర్ ఏమవుతుంది? -1 to the power of 3 plus 3 into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. This is going to be 1. This is plus, is nothing but e power minus beta. Now this element you got, that is what? E power minus beta. That is simply here plus beta only. Must and surely the answer is going to be 3. To explain give clearly, I taken this. You can write directly if you have the knowledge of writing A inverse directly. The elements compulsory adjoint matrix లో రో ఎలిమెంట్స్ కాలమ్స్ ఉంటాయని తెలిస్తే మీకు నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్గా చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతాం. నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ ఆల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఆల్సో. సింప్లీ కాస్ ఆల్ఫా కోఫాక్టర్ ఏంటిది? ఈ పవర్ బీటా ఇంటూ కాస్ ఆల్ఫా. డిటర్మినెంట్ వచ్చింది ఈ పవర్ బీటా. సింప్లీ డివైడింగ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ కాస్ ఆల్ఫా. కాస్ ఆల్ఫా ఇల్లుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది. కాబట్టి 4 ఆప్షన్స్లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్కి వెళ్ళిపోతావు. ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ దాన్ని చెక్ చేయి, ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేసినప్పుడు దీని కోఫాక్టర్ చెక్ చేస్తే అడ్జెంట్లో ఈ ఎలిమెంట్గా అవుతుంది. ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ చెక్ చేస్తే ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ రోజు చెక్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఎలిమెంట్ అవుతుంది. సెకండ్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఎలిమెంట్ అయింది. దీన్ని చెక్ చేసినాం సింప్లీ -sin alpha into 0. That you will get here plus into minus is going to be plus sin alpha ఇల్లు ఉన్నదా? లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. సింపుల్గా లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ దీని కోఫాక్టర్ అంటే 1 కాబట్టి సింప్లీ డివైడింగ్ విత్ డిటర్మినెంట్ మీన్స్ ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ డివైడ్గా 1 by e power beta. 1 by e power beta is nothing but e power minus beta. By seeing you can say if you having knowledge on that. Okay, understanding or not? Right, this is the solution, actual correct explanation of this problem. Let's see other problem.